Hello from OGS Mechanics workshop. We have here Mercedes E-Class 2015 hybrid. A very interesting job in terms of the fault. So the car was running only having an issue when the car was shifting from electric mode to combustion engine. And all this was because of starter motor. Correct. So the car was still running, was still starting, although it had a faulty starter motor. And this was because being a hybrid engine, it has also an electric motor that can enable the engine starting. So it seems to be quite a common occurrence. That is probably third vehicle that we had in our workshop in the last month with a similar problem. Starter motor faulty, vehicle still starts, but it's harsh when changing from an electric mode to combustion engine. Thanks for watching OGS Mechanics, and again a glimpse in our activity in the workshop. Thank you.